I know everybody says this, but it is so true. I cannot believe it is already we're already into the holidays. Halloween is past. Thanksgiving is very close here in the next couple of weeks. And I can't believe I'm already making a video about Black Friday holiday shopping. But here we are, so here it goes. I have teamed up with Perfect Keto. You guys know, who have watched me for any length of time, that I love Perfect Keto's products. I use lots of them myself in my everyday diet and lifestyle. I also love lots of their products for my kids. I don't love how much sugar and junk food is in the standard American diet that we are surrounded with every day. And to have options for the kids where they still feel like they can participate in the treats, but without the treats being so incredibly destructive to their metabolism, that makes me super happy. So I love having their products on hand constantly. I also have found that my husband is starting to be obsessed with some Perfect Keto products. His absolute favorite is the Mallow Munch Bars for sure. So of course, Perfect Keto is going to be having their Black Friday sale, which is their biggest sale of the year, come Black Friday. But they're actually doing some special pre-Black Friday deals. So I have teamed up with Perfect Keto to bring you one of these special preview Black Friday deals. What it is 2 boxes of my favorite bars from Perfect Keto, 1 box of the maple pecan Nola bars. These are so delicious. They taste like pecan pie. It's like a granola style bar, it says on here, but I would say it's more like a candy bar, like a payday, like chewy, caramely pecan pie bar. That's what it feels like to me. And then also a box of the chocolate Mallow Munch Bars. Like I said, my husband is obsessed with the Mallow Munch Bars. They taste like Rice Krispies, like protein Rice Krispies. If Rice Krispies were made out of protein instead of sugar and starch, it would be this. And the chocolate ones legitimately taste like Cocoa Krispies. It's like you open the package and you smell it, and it's like memories of your childhood Cocoa Krispy breakfasts. So what Perfect Keto is offering you guys is a 40% discount if you buy the Keto Candy Kit, Keto Candy Bundle of these 2 products. It's just on these 2 flavors, and you have to purchase them together. Now, Perfect Keto does not ever offer a 40% discount on only 2 products. Typically when they have a sale, you have to buy like 5 or 6 products to get up to that 40% discount mark. So this is a really rare thing where you can just purchase 2 products and get the full 40% off. Retail price is $49.98 for both of these together, but with the 40% discount, you can get them for $29.99. So this is a great way to stock up on some goodies. If you have some keto people or kids that you just want to have a little bit healthier treats in their stockings this year, these would make great stocking stuffers. It can also be like a really great strategy if you're going to some kind of event where you know there's gonna be food that's gonna not be the best for your keto diet or your plan, and you just want to have something to look forward to. Sometimes I'll keep a little treat in my car, and so I know in my mind that it's waiting for me, so on the ride home, I can enjoy my little special treat, and it makes it a little bit easier to resist the temptation of the stuff there that I know is just not going to make me feel my best. Another thing that I really love about Perfect Keto as a company and about their products is that they really care about quality when it comes to the ingredients in their products. There are so many companies jumping on the keto bandwagon because it's popular. You can go into Costco and other grocery stores and find all kinds of things that have the word keto on them. But if you turn them around and look at the ingredients, it's pretty junky. Stuff that I personally wouldn't want to have in my everyday diet. But with Perfect Keto products, I really do not have to worry about that. I know that they have super high standards when it comes to the ingredients they use, and I feel great about including them in my diet. And of course, even the people over at Perfect Keto will say that your diet should primarily be made up of whole, real foods, meats, vegetables, fats, that kind of thing. But in this world we live in, sometimes it's fast paced, sometimes we need something quick, sometimes we just want to have a special treat. And so they offer such an incredible service to us by putting together these foods that can be considered a treat, but that also will help us to keep our body feeling good and maintaining our progress towards our goals. So in order to get your keto candy kit or multiple kits, you can order more than one. You can just use the link down in my description below. It will take you to a special page where you can add the bundle to your cart. This 40% discount on the keto candy bundle will be good today, November 7th through November 13th. So you have a full week to take advantage of it. So every year at Christmas time, one of our big family traditions that I love to do with the kids is that we make chocolate truffles. I have been doing it for years, even before I had kids. And so when they came along, they of course joined in the fun. And it's just kind of our labor of love that we like to give away to our family and friends. But I thought that one thing that I'd like to do this year is make some candies that are keto. I do have a keto truffle recipe, but it's a lot of work. And I thought that maybe if I can incorporate some of these and make them into like a Christmas candy, it might be fun. And I would let Perfect Keto do a little bit of the work for me. So what I am thinking is that I am going to cut up a couple of these Nili bars and roll them into balls and dip them into chocolate so that they are like a pecan pie, chocolate covered pecan pie candy. Not necessarily truffle because they're not filled with chocolate, but some kind of a pecan pie chocolate covered candy. And then I had the idea that I would sprinkle them just a little bit with some smoked salt. I thought that would take it to the next level. So I'm going to do that with these. I'm also going to cut these into squares. So these ones will be round and these ones will be cut into squares, and I will dip them in chocolate and probably put some, you know, Christmassy sprinkles on top. And so I'll have this like little variety pack of chocolate keto candies that either I can enjoy when, you know, I don't feel like I need the extra sugar from the truffles, or that I can enjoy when we're having a family gathering, or that I can share with others who are also trying to reduce their sugar intake. Just having that as an option, I think will be super fun. And having Perfect Keto do half the work of making my fillings for me is going to be great.
When it's done, I'm going to say, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, let's see. One bar will cut into maybe 6 or 8.
6.
I think 6 would probably
Or 3.
Probably 6. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the piece and try to get it into a ball. Can you squish one into a ball? And then roll it like that. See? Like that. What do you think? Think that's going to work? It'll be like a pecan pie chocolate candy truffle.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Can you see the video?
Yeah, you can peek. You can peek down there. What is that looking like?
Is that
All right, let's do this one in maybe 8. Yeah, probably 8.
8, yeah.
Okay, go down so we can see you. Go ahead. All right, so I have a few odds and ends of allulose sweetened chocolate chips. I'm gonna use that. Do you love chocolate chips? Do you want to dump these in?
Yeah,
into the bowl. So we're gonna get all of these melted along with just like a teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, go down. There we go. Whoa, nice. And I have a video where we tasted and reviewed all of the allulose sweetened chocolate chips. So, hey, excuse you. So I will put that up in the cards for you guys to check out if you're interested in that. You want to taste one? Okay, now go wash your hands. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. So just a little bit of coconut oil, and then I'm just gonna microwave this probably 15 to 30 second intervals, and then stir after each one so I make sure I don't burn the chocolate. Okay, so these first ones we're gonna be using the sprinkles. Oh, don't spill that. We're going to use the hickory smoked salt. And so we're going to throw these ones into the chocolate. Oh, I need a fork. So I'm going to coat these in chocolate, and then you're going to do a little sprinkle with the smoked salt, okay? Can you sprinkle this? You might have to stand up to do it. Okay, go ahead. Woo. I put it too far away from you, didn't I? We got all of our candies dipped. Now I'm gonna go throw these into the fridge and wait for the chocolate to get hardened, and then we will do a taste test.
Tiny boop hole in there.
A tiny boop hole?
Boop, boop, boop. Can taste.
Here are, let's see, these ones are the crispy ones.
Yeah.
These ones are the pecan maple ones. Which one do you want to try first?
I want to try this one.
This one? Okay, this one's the one with the double sprinkles where you did both kinds.
It's really good.
Oh, it's so chocolatey.
Yeah.
Look at the middle there.
So dark.
Yeah, this one's very dark chocolate, but you could get a different kind of chocolate chip if you want to do white chocolate coated, or if you want milk chocolate. Ooh, man, that is so chocolatey. Okay, hold on.
That's good.
All right. Now here is our maple pecan truffles. Are you gonna have the one with the sprinkles on it?
I'm gonna have this
Oh,
one.
you don't want the one with the sprinkles. All right, you can have the one with the sprinkles. Come up a little closer. You wanna show-
Yummy.
Is it good? Show the inside. Oh, up here like that. There you go. You see that? That's the little pecan ball inside. It's so chewy. Chewy and gooey. Smoked salt, definitely a good choice. What do you have to say?
Uncle.
You mean, I was asking about your thumbs up. Looked like you had some thumbs up to give. 10 thumbs up?
All done.
All the thumbs up? Your mouth is very full.
I think I would give these, but I think
The Rice Krispie ones.
9 thumbs up.
9 thumbs up, okay.
And those I would probably give 5.
The pecan, okay, so you like the Rice Krispie ones the best.
Yeah.
Which
Me
one-
too.
You like the Rice Krispie ones the best too?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I think I like these the best. They're so good. And the smoked salt, man. All the flavors.
Can I have mine first?
Mm-hmm.
After that, can I have this whole?
You want the whole bowl?
Yeah, this.
No, you can have the whole bowl. You can have a few. So don't forget to head over to Perfect Keto using the link below to get your keto candy bundle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And coming up a little bit later this week, I will be coming back for a giveaway. So definitely stay tuned for that. You guys want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to, what are you supposed to say? Don't forget to...
Subscribe and like.
Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.
Bye.
Wave, Renee.